Hello again everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I am just showing you my lineup of paints today. I'm using Drizzle by pourart, and these are a beautiful color combination. So I'm just going to show you, this is what I use for my base. This is the Cloud 9. These are all pre-mixed pouring paint. Previously I used, or should I say originally I used this white mixed with the different shades of blue, which is sea level, right? Originally I had sea level, and then I had good night. So these are two nice beautiful shades of blue that you're going to be seeing on the canvas. So those are the three colors that I had on the canvas before, and then at the end of the video you will notice that the colors have changed. I actually went ahead and changed the colors. I used splash, and then I also mixed it with in the tropics. So it's like I went in and toned the background, you know, just change it up a bit because I wasn't feeling it, you know, the original color that I had. So the two colors I'm using today is this yellow, this beautiful yellow. It's called Neon Sunshine. Dries really nice. And then I mixed that yellow with this orange called Canyon. All right, so I just wanted to give it that deeper gold kind of a yellow. So you're going to be seeing me pouring from the cup. That's a two color combination that I mixed together. Then I use this copper by Artist Loft to complete my flower. See, in the process, guys, you will notice I'm just using the paint from the cap. I also use this beautiful shade of gold, Heart of Gold it's called, and then I also use New Penny by Drizzle. So like I said, guys, these are all pre-mixed pouring paint. So let's get into today's painting. As you can see, this is the background that I got from using the two deeper shades of blue and the white. Eventually changed this background. Yes, I had to wait until it's dried to change the background, and then just watch the video all the way to the end. I didn't show on camera how I fixed that, but I just want you guys to know that, listen, you don't have to use white base, or you don't have to use a solid color base. You can use whatever, but just know that if you do mix the yellow with the blue, you're gonna get some shade of green, right? So that's one of the reasons why here in the middle I had the white base, because I didn't want to get it all, you know, green. I want to go for that sunflower field. Right, so I do hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. And yes, it has been a while. I have been off for a while, enjoying my vacation, enjoying summer. Now I'm back, and I do hope that, you know, if you guys have any questions for me, you can shoot it in the comment section below. Let me know. I want to hear from you. Let me know how you guys have been. How is this technique going for you? You know, just remember when you're swiping to swipe with the outer edge of the spoon. Wipe the spoon clean in a napkin. As you can see, I'm wiping the spoon clean in a napkin because, you know, you don't want to bring that paint back and messy your petals, right? This is a really fun technique. You don't have to paint only flowers. I do have feathers that you can use a spoon swipe technique for. I also have wings. So just be creative, guys, and, you know, let me see what you have. You can make it a beautiful flower garden. You can go ahead and paint your leaves, you know, create a beautiful wonder. I really want to know how you guys are doing. Find me on Instagram, camille.amoy.art. And yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. All right, I do hope that this technique will inspire you to get up and paint, you know, something beautiful. All right, remember to make it your own. This is your own creation. All right, enjoy today's video, and I hope that you guys will watch this all the way to the end. You will see the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you so much. For all my new viewers, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you've made it this far, I want to say go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about fluid painting, acrylic pouring. You're not going to be disappointed, guys. You're going to really love this. Do share this content with your friends and family. That's how we get to reach more people on YouTube. Really do appreciate your support. Thank you all very much.